Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a little bunny basket. So let's get started. I'm working with a 6mm crochet hook in Bernat Blanket yarn. You could work with 2 or even 3 strands of worsted weight yarn. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join in the first stitch, and that will form a ring. Carry the yarn end along the outside of the ring, and you can close the hole when you're finished. Chain 1. Make 10 single crochet in the ring. To make a single crochet, insert the hook into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through. Pick up the yarn and pull it through both loops on the hook. So I'm going to go ahead and make 10 single crochet in the ring. Okay, I've made 10 single crochet in the ring. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join in the first single crochet. Now you can pull that yarn end and close up the hole. Chain 1 and turn. Make 2 single crochet in each stitch all the way around. So 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, all the way around. Okay, I've gone ahead and made 2 single crochet in each stitch around. Now I'm going to chain 1 and turn, and I'm going to single crochet 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around. So go ahead and single crochet all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join in the first single crochet. Chain 1 and turn. And now each row will be exactly the same until you reach the height of the basket, and that is chain 1 and turn, single crochet in each stitch all the way around. And you'll probably only need to do about 5 rows. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to work the sides of the basket, and then I'll come back and show you. Okay, I've gone ahead and I've worked a total of 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to fasten off. And you can see it's quite sturdy and it stands up on its own. To make the ears, start with chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join. Carry the yarn end along the outside. Chain 1. Make 6 single crochet in the ring. 1, 2, 3, now you can pull that yarn end and close up the hole. Slip stitch to join in the first single crochet. Chain 1, working in a spiral around and around. Single crochet in each stitch until the ears are the correct length. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll come back and show you. So single crochet in every stitch, working in a spiral. Okay, I've gone ahead and worked 6 rows, and I'm going to fasten off, and I'm going to go ahead and make 1 more. Okay, I've gone ahead and I have my 2 ears, and I've threaded a matching yarn into a yarn needle, and I'm going to tuck the yarn ends inside the ear, and then I'm going to come down like 1 row, and I'm going to sew the ears here. And sew the other one on, like that. For the nose, I'm going to sew on this pink button, but if you don't have a button, you could use a pom-pom, or you could sew on a regular button, or you could crochet a nose using my button video, and I'll put the link below. And I have 2 black buttons, and I'm going to use those for the eyes. And I'm going to sew them on like that. And now I'll add some blush for the cheeks, and on the ears. And as an option, you could add some eyelashes. like that.